Hi friends, today we are making quick Brazilian iscas de frango aceboladas, tender sautéed chicken strips with lime, garlic, and sweet onions. It is bright, savory, and perfect when you want dinner fast but still full of flavor. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes 25 minutes. Let us walk through the ingredients. 1 1/2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts are the fast cooking base, and cutting them into strips helps them brown quickly. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice bring the bright Brazilian-style tang that wakes up the chicken. 3 cloves garlic add the savory backbone, and minced garlic spreads through every strip of chicken. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken from the inside out during the short rest. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper gives gentle heat without hiding the lime and onion. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika gives a warm color and a mellow flavor similar to the colorau often used in Brazilian kitchens. 2 tablespoons olive oil help the chicken sear in batches instead of steaming. 2 large yellow onions become sweet, glossy ribbons that make this simple sauté feel generous. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter rounds out the pan juices and helps the onions turn silky. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley finish the skillet with freshness and a pop of color. Begin the preparation by cutting 1 1/2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts into thin strips about 1/2 inch wide, then pat them dry so they can sear well. Now that the chicken is cut, place it in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 3 minced cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. Toss the chicken until every strip is coated, then let it rest for 10 minutes while the lime and garlic season the meat. While the chicken rests, thinly slice 2 large yellow onions from root to tip so they cook into long, sweet ribbons. Set the wide skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute, then add 1 tablespoon olive oil and swirl it across the hot surface. Add half of the seasoned chicken in a single layer, and let it cook without moving for 2 minutes so the first side gets lightly browned. After the first side browns, toss the chicken and cook for 2 more minutes, until the pieces look opaque and golden at the edges, then transfer them to a plate. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil, then sauté the rest of the chicken the same way, 2 minutes untouched and 2 minutes after tossing, before moving it to the plate. Lower the heat to medium, add 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, and let it melt into the browned bits left in the skillet. Add all of the sliced onions, then sauté for 8 minutes, stirring every minute, until they soften, turn glossy, and pick up the chicken flavor from the pan. Return the chicken and any juices from the plate to the skillet, then toss everything together and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, until the thickest chicken strip reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, and toss for 30 seconds so the herbs stay bright while the skillet finish comes together. Let the chicken rest in the skillet for 2 minutes, then slide the sautéed chicken and onions onto the matte white plate, making sure to spoon the buttery pan juices over the top. And that is our quick Brazilian iscas de frango aceboladas, juicy chicken strips with sweet onions, lime, garlic, and a buttery skillet finish. It delivers the fast, bright weeknight dinner we promised at the start. Serve it with rice, beans, or a simple salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy home cooking.